here's the creek. We're sleeping by the creek. Our tent setups here. The girls have already put their tent in the water. They're setting it up. The wind came up and it was floating over here. I'll put a picture in here. It's gonna be big enough for you guys?
We'll make it work.
Here, I'll give a. Here's what your view is gonna look like. Oh, it's good. Here's our camp spot we found. Some rocks. This is North Fork Campground. It's pretty sweet here. It's our little trail back to the car. Who's this sexy lady? Got some pillows? Sasha, what are you doing? Where's that squirrel? She's on squirrel patrol. So we're here, Snowy Range, North Fork Campground. Pretty nice day. It's like 75 degrees here on September 8th. So it's all national forest around here, so you could really camp anywhere, but they have some bathrooms here. I don't know if you can see that from the distance there, but it's nice to have a picnic table, a little fire thing. So it's $10. It's worth it. Something a little more established. Girls like having a bathroom, so I did bring the generator just in case we need some power.
Is he still in it? Oh my gosh! Turn around, just turn around. Are you good? I can't even feel my feet no more.
Started facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains, but we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it